Hello, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, I want to discuss a topic that concerns every investor: risk management and capital protection. First and foremost, we must understand that in any trading market, risk is always present. As the saying goes, there's no such thing as a free lunch, and every unit of return may come with its associated risks. However, this doesn't mean we are helpless in the face of these risks. Effective risk management strategies can help us navigate through the ever-changing market conditions. For example, determining entry and exit points for trades and setting stop-loss levels are fundamental strategies. But did you know? With the Forex EA developed by us at INNOSS Tech Lab, all of this can become simpler and more intelligent. These EA can not only automatically analyze market risks, but also formulate appropriate risk management strategies for you. Next, let's talk about capital protection. Dear friends, the hard-earned money we make should not be easily jeopardized. Therefore, every time you invest, you must ensure the safety of your capital. Remember, long-term, steady returns are superior to short-term windfalls. Our EA also take this into consideration. They will adjust your investment strategy based on your capital size to ensure the maximum protection of your funds. So, risk management and capital protection are fundamental skills for every investor. But with our Forex EA, you'll discover that navigating the market confidently isn't as difficult as it may seem. Once again, thank you for listening, and we hope that INNOSS Tech Lab can provide you with more help and support on your investment journey. Wishing you successful trading and great prosperity.